Hi, Mrfixitrick here. I've got a really cool new project that I'm working on. This is a Tesla turbine inside of a CD jewel case. And what I've got here is two discs inside with four neodymium half-inch by 1/8 inch magnets as separators between the discs. Got a hole cut in the back of the CD jewel case here as the exhaust for the turbine, and I've glued in a little a nozzle used to inflate toys, inflatable toys, with a short hose on the attached to that. And okay, so it's a two-disc Tesla turbine inside of a CD jewel case, and that's pretty special, I think. And I'm going to show you how that works. And I've got something I'm going to unveil here, which is associated with, which works with the turbine. This is my new pencil sharpener. It's going to be powered by this Tesla turbine in a CD jewel case. Think it can be done? I know it can. Let me show you first the pencil sharpener here. This is I made this case. It's polycarbonate. It is very strong. You could hammer on it. It won't break. Okay, we're going to try a little torture testing of the new polycarbonate box that I've made here. This is for testing turbines, and we have to make sure that it is strong. Feels pretty strong. Let's try it. Yep. By golly, that's pretty darn strong, I would say. Alright, torture test done. You could shoot it with a shotgun and it won't break, hopefully. Anyways, that's going to be our protective thing. This is a standard Chicago type pencil sharpener, but what isn't standard is I've adapted on a flywheel here. Now the flywheel's got four neodymium half-inch by half-inch magnets inserted into it, and it's got a little counterweight here as well to offset the handle and bolts that I bolted onto the handle of the pencil sharpener, and that goes around like that, sort of a flywheel effect. This is polycarbonate that I used as the flywheel. Now, what's really neat is this is the turbine. And what we're going to do is just plug the turbine right into place here, just like that. The magnets on the flywheel of the pencil sharpener engage the magnets on the turbine. You can see when I move the pencil sharpener, the turbine tends to go around. Okay, here's a close-up view of the business end of our Tesla CD turbine made out of a CD jewel box here. Very thin, two CD discs inside, and I can remove this fairly easily, but not with one hand so easily. There we go. Back of it has a hole cut into the CD case, and you can see the four magnets in the clear discs that I have inside. And that just pops right into place there, very easily. And we have a gap in between of about 1/8 inch between the flywheel and the turbine itself, and everything's magnetically driven. When the flywheel goes around, the turbine goes around, and vice versa. So hopefully when we hook up air to this, we should get the turbine to go around. It should make the pencil sharpener go around, and that would make me happy if it all works. So let's give it a try. First I'll hook up the air supply. And okay, we're going to put this protective cover over this because we don't know what's going to happen here. Alright, here we go. Now I've also got a tachometer here, a digital tachometer, And we're going to set that up so we can watch the speed of the turbine as it goes around. And I think I'm going to get out of the direct line of fire, even though I know this bulletproof protective cover is going to work. But you never know what could happen. That's why I got my safety glasses on too. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see if this sucker will work. I need to have a pencil. There's a pencil. Number 2 HB. Oh darn, I broke my pencil. Teacher, can I sharpen my pencil? Why sure, Mr. Student. Okay, let's go at her. Yippee! Up to 500, 600, 700 RPM, 800, 900, 1000, 1200. Okay, now we start pencil sharpening. It brings it down to 900. It's still hanging in there. We need to build up RPM. Let it build up again. 700, 800, 900. We're bogging down, but we're getting it sharpened. Okay, RPM test once again of the Tesla Turbine 2-disc with 1/8 inch by 1/2 inch neodymium magnets in between. And we have a flywheel engaged magnetically to the turbine and the pencil sharpener. Okay, let's get going here, see what we can do. I've got a new hose on, hopefully it won't leak so badly. Oh yeah, the torque's way better. They're already up to 800, 1400, 1700, 1800, 2200 RPM. Fantastic. Let's get that pencil sharpened. Oh yeah. Instant pencil sharpening. Yes.